chilly 32 this morning. Ruby is ready to go. Good morning, Ruby. Look what I have waiting on me this morning. We're late, but I'm still taking time to schedule that. I guess when we get back at 9:10. Yep. Yeah, I'm thinking more like 8:45 this morning because I'm going out with Michelle and I got to make sure it's done. Set for this time. I'll make sure I'm back by then. I've put up a Christmas card I made of the light show from Lake Myra. This is from 2011. Hard to believe it's been that many years. I've got several other pretty cool cards from this display, and I think during the day today I'll swap them out so I can show the rest of them all in one day. Johnny and I were treated to an extra pretty sunrise to the east this morning. I don't think we got the best picture or video of it, but we were definitely able to enjoy it out the right side of the car. We ran through the Starbucks drive-thru to get a couple more gift cards for teachers this morning. I didn't count right, so we're definitely tardy today, and we're just not stressing about it because all the exams are done and everybody is kind of winding down the year, and it was just the right thing to do. Johnny and I both agreed, so I'll just enjoy the rest of the ride and get us there safe, and it is what it is. And that was a blue light in a police car. That was an unmarked Honda. That was odd. Bye, buddy. Love you. See you this afternoon. Actually, Mr. Don's picking you up. Bye. If he hurries into the door, he just might make it before the bell. Tell you what, you better not have any problems with your photos because you put them up on the big screen and it will definitely show them right away. Not seeing anything in this one, though. There's a Magikarp raid here at the NBC gazebo, and this is the last raid Johnny needs to get Melton. I didn't get a lot of time to spend with you yesterday. How are you? Oh, nice and warm in your garage. Hi, sleepy boy. I'm headed to meet Michelle. I made Dawn a good breakfast, and we got caught up on our YouTubes, and I snuggled some kitties, and now it's girl time. Oh, and it's also my software updates completed time. Me yesterday that the enter the pin to drive now moves around the screen, so you don't have to worry about your fingerprints giving away which numbers you're pressing. I don't have to worry about that because I wipe down the middle screen every day, but yeah, I'm sure some people do have to worry about it. So yeah, I'm noticing right away the pin to drive screen is up high, and I guess it moves around. I am at 2018.48.12.1. And I see the new fireplace icon and also the whoopee cushion, the fart icon. So I assumed pole position was going to show up here, but I don't see it. Have to figure that one out. Yeah, I wondered for a minute that too much in the steering wheel icon is trying to tell me that my steering wheel's basically upside down. So I assume if I straightened it out, then I could play with the steering wheel or whatever. Look at you all festive. I could have, if I'd have known you had on your Christmas tree sweater, I would have worn my Christmas tree sweater. Let's go home. Let's go but I've got on Rudolph, and there's your inflatable. There's Jack.
Oh, thank you.
I didn't forget it today. Yay! Well, there are lots of Hot Wheels cars here again today, but I don't think I see anything Johnny would love. I want to be little again.
Me too. Let's just sit in it anyway.
There are no jewelry find Christmas presents in the case today again. Bummer. All the Christmas stuff is now 50% off. This guy's $1.50. I do not have a Taekwondo nutcracker. I guess those are perfect for either the soccer playing family or maybe the chemist in your life. I don't know. Do you remember these from the 70s? Michelle and I do. I had several of them. Took the time to set out this table. Very pretty. See? The pin pad's lower now. And Michelle's waiting for me patiently to open her door.
What the hell? You leaving me out in the cold?
No.
Yeah. I think it's not below 40.
It's 45 and it's not that windy. You're from Pittsburgh.
I don't like. Yeah, but I'm not in Pittsburgh anymore, am I?
No.
I moved down south, didn't I?
Guess now you want me to shut your door.
Yes. Do you have steam warmer?
I do. Here. It's on. We'll put it on low because high is pretty. Pretty high.
Pretty cold.
Michelle!
Don't blame that one on me. Gotta have one for my car.
I told you to bring Connor with you.
That's a wet one.
Oh goodness! So you can say which seat you want the sound to come from. Connor! Connor, how dare you? That's horrible, Connor.
It's not so real.
The only seat we won't be doing. The only seat we won't be doing is mine.
I don't know. It kind of sounds like it. It's like you're shot out from the driver's side into the back seat. That's all.
Oh, that's pretty hilarious. You do see we're in emissions testing mode. So you want one for your car?
Yeah, I need one.
Yeah, I think we should just...
Sean does it on his own.
We're going to try Christo's Bistro today. Huh, so not too far, huh? Okay. I'm not the only one feeling festive today. Michelle's being a good sport as we invoke the Ruby exercise program to go to the restaurant. At least it's a pretty day.
I should have had you drop me off.
I would have if you'd asked. I know. What kind of guy am I, you know? What kind of friend?
We'll get there eventually.
Well, actually, I'm a really good friend because I'm helping you exercise today.
Yeah, I'll bring my weights, my ankle weights next time.
Look how busy the parking lot is. Michelle and I were trying to figure out just exactly where all these cars came from. I mean, there's Harris Teeter over there, but everything looks so good. The choice is really hard. Well, the appetizer Michelle ordered is yummy. Michelle's always so adventurous. She got clam linguine, and I got eggplant parmesan. It's turned out to be a really pretty afternoon. It's 57 degrees. Michelle and I stopped at the Apex Community Center and battled a gym and traded a Pokemon, and I showed her how to do battles.
And I won.
She did win, and you're a good tapper.
I know. Red rum.
Michelle and I are admiring this lamppost. Kind of got a light bulb and then some plastic to make it look holographic. So this looks brand new. They have $5 on it, but it's half off, so it's $2.50. That is a good deal. Your own kind of beautiful. I think that's good advice. Wow, that is one big X-Wing fighter. This couch and matching chair need to go into one of those historic Fuquay homes. It looks like it belongs there. We got just a few things to fit in the back. I think we can manage though. It's not neat, but it is loaded. Bye! We'll see you tomorrow. Gift exchange time. It's that time of the year. We'll definitely do that. Bye! Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
Is there a nap in my future?
I hope so.
I'm tired. All good day is shopping.
No, that's good. It wore you out. That's a good thing, I think.
Johnny, grab the storage bin and the jacket underneath the passenger Falcon wing.
So can I peek at what I'm getting?
Yeah, but I think you're only happy to see me for my leftovers.
That's not true.
I'm just teasing you, buddy. I mean, seriously, who wouldn't want their mom to bring that home for dinner? I sure did miss you today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I missed you. I think we should have a little time to ourselves.
Sure.
You think so too?
I totally agree. Ooh. Pretty.
I think every Tesla couple out there that has the update has gone out to their car to have romance mode, Donnie.
Agree.
You agree?
Yeah.
You go get, where are you? I can't, there you are.
No, you gotta take me on camera.
There you are. You can come and give me a kiss. Pretty cool, huh? You can't have the flames up while you're driving.
No.
I know. In the wintertime, I mean, might you not want to do that?
I agree.
Yeah. I don't know. And you notice it cranked the heat?
Yeah.
It did. It cranked the heat.
Well, you're looking at the fire, you can feel the heat. Ooh, feel the heat.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So, I still don't have pole position. I don't know why I don't have pole position. I'm frustrated about not having pole position, and I emailed the poor guy at Tesla and I said, look, I'm sure this is not your most critical problem today, but could you maybe think about why I don't have pole position? I felt bad about doing it. I did, honest, I did, but a girl needs her video gaming. I mean, you know, Elon would understand. I thought it was always Sexual Healing by Marvin Gaye, but oh no, it can be different songs too. Oh, well, that turned it off. Let's try this one more time. Because earlier today when I did it when Michelle was in the car. Huh. Oh, come on. We need some Barry White now. Huh. Interesting. And I don't think you can switch songs or you can just stop it. Okay, one more. Really? Come on. I want Marvin Gaye. I don't even know what that other song was. No clue. I mean, I know this song, but huh. Bring back Marvin. I need Marvin. Yeah, Don tried moving it to the far back seat and it won't go back to those seats. So you can either press the scroll wheel or every time you do the turn signal.
Right.
And it remembers where you are. Falcon Heavy.
That one sounded a little wet.
Oh, yeah, that was just sort of, yeah. Oh. That's pretty funny. Pretty funny. Now, if I could just get pole position. See, honest, it's still missing from the menu. It is. You can go into Atari, and I can go up here, and there's no pole position. How can that be? Really? It kind of hurt my mood today. I'm sure we'll sort it out.
She forgot to disable the fart.
I did. Hang on, I can't play with it like that. That's not good. I gotta fix it. Oh, there. No more fart on demand. I do. I got one game of Centipede. Come on, you girl. She needs some Centipede.
I liked it better when it was farting.
I can't be in trouble. I can't be in trouble. Ooh, that was close, baby. That was close. Now, have you ever played Centipede?
I don't think so.
Really?